Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Candy Crush to Gmail. First, launch the Candy Crush Saga app on your smartphone or tablet. Once the game loads, navigate to the main menu or the settings icon, which is often represented by a gear or 3 lines. From there, you'll need to find the option that allows you to connect your game progress, typically labeled Connect or Save Progress. This initial step is crucial for securing your game data. After finding the connection options, you'll usually see a choice between connecting with Facebook or using an email-based method. While Facebook is a common choice, for Gmail integration, Android users should look for Sign In with Google Play Games. This option seamlessly links your game to the Google account associated with your device, which is typically your Gmail. If you're on an Apple device, you might see a Direct Connect with Email option. Once you select the Google Play Games option, a pop-up will appear asking for your permission. You'll need to grant Candy Crush Saga access to your Google Play Games profile. Carefully review the details and confirm that you are linking the correct Google account, which is the one tied to your Gmail address. This authorization step is vital for the game to save your progress to the cloud, ensuring your levels and boosters are safe. To ensure your connection is successful, return to the game settings menu. You should see a confirmation message, perhaps indicating that your game is now connected or saved. Your player profile might also display your Google Play Games ID or the email associated with your Google account. For a definitive test, try logging into Candy Crush Saga on a different device. Your progress, including all your hard-earned levels and items, should load automatically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.